It's 2025 and I'm finally taking my 3D printing business seriously, and I want to take you along for the ride. How, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you did, because not only will this journey be obviously entertaining for myself, I hope it's also entertaining for you. Main goal, sell 510 items. So far I'm up to 3. It's ambitious, and I know that. As sub-goals, want to contract with or acquire commercial licenses to sell 5 established designers' products. So the 10 later this year, I will be opening my doors, my design doors, my 3D print farm to you to be able to make your ideas, and I want you to be thinking about those. This will be later in the year, optimistically targeting June or July, to be able to accept people, anybody, with an idea that once validated can be actually 3D printed, because that will be my limitation. But I want your ideas. I want to make them, I want to list them on my shop, and I want to give you a cut of that. So why am I doing this? Why am I making the videos right now? Why have I decided, as of like the 3rd week of the year, to make vlog videos about 3D printing? Well, twofold. One, last year I had some success building a 3D printed case, and I do intend to finish that project, but honestly need more time to be able to divest to it, and also need more parts than I have money to buy right now. So that got me thinking, though, what's the second reason? Well, the second reason is because I have really ambitious goals for this year, and I've seen a lot of people trying to start 3D printing businesses, and it got me thinking, well, hold on, maybe everybody shouldn't be running their own print farm at home. And then that got me thinking, well, maybe print farms could be better? Maybe print farms could be more, I don't know, distributed, and advanced technologies and processes and systems and software, and my brain fell down a rabbit hole. And because of that, I realized nobody's really doing this. There's one company, Slant 3D, that is at least doing the warehouse approach when it comes to like 3D printing as a service and print on demand. But I think there's actually a lot more opportunity here than anybody's actually leveraging. Not to mention, 3D printers are only getting better and more application-like, but at the same token, they still need a lot of work, and they still require a lot of moving parts, so to speak, to keep them going. So I think, given my background in engineering and IT, I stand at a unique intersection here to actually be able to move not just the hobby, but the industry forward when it comes to advanced manufacturing. And it's going to be inconsistent, and it's gonna be bumpy, and it's gonna have its ups, and it's gonna have its downs. But fundamentally, I think it's better to share those with you. So not only does everyone understand that starting a business is hard, and anybody telling you otherwise is probably a grifter trying to take your money. So I want to really show you what it takes to do this. Secondarily, I also want you to join me for the ride. This is going to be crazy. I have no idea where this is going to go. 510 sales, that's a big goal. That's a big goal in the year. I've got 2 printers. I've got 2 printers, and I'm going to somehow do 510 sales? Yeah, makes me a little uncomfortable even thinking about it. But if this is a journey you would like to basically hop on and ride with, then please hit that like button, subscribe. The updates will be coming more frequent. Startups are hard, but I hope you're here for the ride. Until we talk next time, keep on 3D printing those dreams. Also, I am a absolute sucker for tiny, tiny little printers. This one is about I think it's about 110 millimeter square build volume. And once I get the frame re-squared, I may actually put it into production for some of the smaller parts that I have in queue, as well as switching out that nozzle for a 0.25 to do some real detailed printing. But that's coming later when I have a good reason to do it. But hey, if you want to know more about the Rook, let me know down below.